Are you two done with your little ladies chat?
Oh! Shouldn't have said that.
Are you a chess player, Jack?
Sure.
So then you're aware that each piece serves a different function. You see, Jack, I am the queen. I am allowed to move around the board with impunity. What is with the lollipop?
Yo, man, I was thinking, like, maybe during your chess speech, you could suck on this lollipop, because then that shows him, like, you so comfortable with torture, you just do something stupid, like sucking on a lollipop. You see what I'm saying?
I need you to go over there right now. I need you to be still, okay?
I was thinking, maybe you should just tell him, like, the military codes.